Thailand is located in Southeast Asia and is bordered by four countries. 1. Myanmar, Burma, to the northwest and west. 2. Laos to the northeast. 3. Cambodia to the southeast. 4. Malaysia to the south. Additionally, Thailand has coastlines along the Andaman Sea to the west and the Gulf of Thailand to the east. The country's geographic diversity includes mountains, plains, and islands, contributing to its rich culture and natural beauty. Thailand is significant for several reasons. 1. Cultural heritage. Known for its rich history, Thailand boasts stunning temples, traditional festivals, and unique cuisine, attracting millions of tourists annually. 2. Economic hub. As one of the largest economies in Southeast Asia, Thailand is a major player in agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism. It's a key exporter of rice, rubber, and electronics. 3. Tourism. With destinations like Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and the islands of Phuket and Koh Samui, Thailand is a top tourist destination, which significantly contributes to its economy. 4. Strategic location. Situated at the heart of Southeast Asia, Thailand serves as a gateway for trade and investment in the region. 5. Biodiversity. Home to diverse ecosystems, Thailand has numerous national parks and wildlife sanctuaries that are crucial for conservation efforts. 6. Political influence. Thailand plays a vital role in regional organizations like ASEAN, contributing to political and economic stability in Southeast Asia. These factors make Thailand an important country both regionally and globally.